Hello everyone. Today I want to share a short story with you. One day a young boy asked his father what is the value of his life. Now instead of answering, the father told his son to take the stone and go sell it in a market nearby. And he tells his son, if anybody asks the price, raise two fingers, do not say anything. The boy then went to the market, and after a while a woman asked, how much is this stone? I want to put it in my garden. The boy didn't say anything and raised up two fingers. The woman said, 20 rupees, I'll take it. The boy went running back home and told his father, a woman wants to buy this stone for 20 rupees. The father then said, son, I want you to take this stone to a museum. If anybody wants to buy it, remember, do not say a word, just put up two fingers. The boy then went to the museum, and there was a man who wanted to buy the stone. Now, as told by his father, the boy did not say a word and put up two fingers. The man said, 200 rupees, I'll take it. The boy was shocked and went running home. Father, a man wants to buy this stone for 200 rupees. His father then said, son, the last place I want you to take is to a precious stone store. Show it to the owner. Do not say a word. And if he asks the price, just remember what I said. Put up two fingers. Now the son went to a precious stone store. He showed the stone to the owner. The owner said, where did you find the stone? It is one of the rarest stones of the world. I must have this. How much would you sell it for? The boy just put up two fingers. And the man said, okay, I'll take it for 2 lakhs. The boy, not knowing what to say, ran home to his father. Father, there's a man who wants to buy the stone for 2 lakhs. His father then said, son, do you know the value of your life now? It doesn't matter where you come from, where you were born, the color of your skin, or how much money you were born into. All that matters is where you decide to place yourself and the people you surround yourself with and how you choose to carry yourself. Now here's the thing. You may have lived your whole life thinking you were a 20 rupee stone. You may have lived your whole life surrounded by people that saw your value only for 20 rupees. But the best thing in life is everybody has a diamond inside of them. And we choose to surround ourselves with people that see our value and see our diamond inside of us. We can choose to put ourselves in a market or put ourselves in a precious stone store. And you know what? You can also choose to see the value in other people. You can help other people see the diamond inside of them. Choose the people you surround yourself wisely. Now that can make all the difference in your life. Let me say this. Focus on you, not others. What others think of you is none of your business. Have patience. Give time to yourself, because time heals almost everything. Give it time. Give it time. Don't be too judgmental. Never compare your life to others and don't judge them, because you have no idea what their journey is all about. Live in the present. Make peace with your past so that it doesn't affect your present. Stay positive. It's all right. It's all right not to know all the answers. They will come to you when you least expect them. Stay happy because you are in charge of your happiness. And smile always, smile. You don't own all the problems in the world. You deserve to be happy and you deserve to be valued because you are unique and special. And you deserve all the respect from you and others who are in your life. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, know your worth and value your worth because this is your life and you are priceless. Thank you for listening. God bless us all.